If you open any modern gardening catalog, you will inevitably be assaulted by full-page advertisements for luxury greenhouses. You will see massive, $5,000 structures built from extruded aluminum and twin-wall polycarbonate panels, complete with automated ventilation systems and commercial-grade heating units. The retail agricultural matrix has successfully engineered a very specific psychological barrier. They want you to believe that growing food through the freezing winter months requires a massive capital investment. They tell you that unless you have thousands of dollars in disposable income, your garden must die the moment the first frost hits. This is a complete commercial fabrication. The laws of thermodynamics do not care about a retail price tag. The cellular survival of a cold hardy vegetable does not require an expensive glass cathedral. It requires only two basic physical parameters to be met: the trapping of shortwave solar radiation and the deflection of desiccating winter winds. Generations of resourceful farmers, homesteaders, and market gardeners have successfully harvested fresh, living greens in the absolute dead of winter, while completely bypassing the commercial greenhouse industry. They utilized the raw physics of the low tunnel, a highly tactical, localized microclimate that can be constructed over any existing garden bed in 20 minutes. For the cost of a few pieces of flexible conduit, some construction-grade plastic, and a handful of anchors, you can build a $25 thermal shield that structurally performs the exact same biological function as a $5,000 retail unit. Today, we are stripping away the luxury marketing fluff. We are breaking down the specific architectural materials, the thermal physics, and the exact cold weather cultivars you need to shatter the limits of your growing season for almost zero cost. The multi-billion-dollar garden retail industry relies entirely on your hesitation. They need you to believe that winter harvesting is impossible without their expensive infrastructure, so you remain perpetually trapped in their seasonal consumer loop. If you want to pull these verifiable, hyper-efficient blueprints out of the shadows and deploy them over your own soil, hit that subscribe button and join the Grounded Harvest Network right now before this knowledge is suppressed by corporate algorithms. By subscribing, you are refusing to let centralized retail conglomerates gatekeep the biological tools required for true year-round independence. Secure your connection to our network now and let us dive directly into the physical architecture of the low tunnel. You do not need pouring concrete, you do not need building permits, and you do not need power tools to build a highly effective thermal trap. You are building a flexible, aerodynamic exoskeleton directly over your soil. Number 1. The Hooped Skeleton. The foundation of the structure is standard, half-inch PVC pipe or galvanized electrical conduit cut into 10-foot lengths. You literally bend these pipes into a tensioned arch over a standard 4-foot-wide garden bed, placing one hoop every 4 feet. Number 2. The rebar anchors. To secure the tensioned hoops, drive 2-foot sections of standard steel rebar halfway into the earth on both sides of the bed. You simply slide the hollow ends of the PVC pipe directly over the exposed steel pins. It creates a completely wind-proof subterranean anchor. Number 3. The 6mm polyethylene shield. You do not use cheap painter's drop cloths. You must source 6mm UV-stabilized greenhouse plastic. It is thick enough to withstand heavy snow loads and is engineered to allow maximum photosynthetic light penetration while blocking the degrading ultraviolet spectrum. Number 4. The snap clamps. To lock the plastic skin to the PVC skeleton, you use cheap, rigid plastic snap clamps. These clip directly over the plastic and onto the hoop, creating a drum-tight seal that prevents the wind from catching and tearing the structure. Number 5. The paracord wind bracing. If you live in an environment with brutal winter gales, you can tie a continuous zigzag of nylon paracord over the top of the plastic, anchoring it to the earth between the hoops. This presses the plastic down firmly, entirely eliminating wind flutter. Number 6. The tucked ends. The structural integrity of a low tunnel fails at the ends. You must gather the excess plastic at the front and back of the tunnel, pull it tight to the ground like wrapping a present, and anchor it firmly with a heavy sandbag or concrete block to completely seal the aerodynamic shape. Think about the sheer mechanical leverage of that process. You are utilizing off-the-shelf hardware store components to literally hack the local climate, bypassing the commercial supply chain entirely. This is how the Matrix loses its power when you realize the expensive infrastructure they sell you is just a highly priced, overcomplicated version of basic physics. If this realization shifts your perspective on backyard self-reliance, take 1 second right now to hit that subscribe button. When you join Grounded Harvest, you directly fund the preservation of these raw, non-industrial blueprints. Hit subscribe to stand against the manipulation and let us transition into the invisible mechanics of thermal mass. Building the structure is only half the battle. To guarantee biological survival when the outside temperature plummets below freezing, you must understand how to mathematically multiply and store the sun's energy. Number 7. The greenhouse effect. When shortwave radiation from the sun penetrates the 6 mil plastic, it strikes the dark soil and converts into long-wave heat energy. The plastic prevents this long-wave energy from escaping back into the atmosphere, rapidly raising the internal temperature by up to 20 degrees higher than the outside air. Number 8. The double cover protocol. On nights when the temperature drops to 0 degrees Fahrenheit, a single layer of plastic is not enough. You must deploy the double cover method. You lay a permeable spunbound frost blanket directly over the plants inside the plastic tunnel. This creates two distinct thermal boundaries, drastically reducing heat loss through trapped dead air. Number 9. The water jug battery. Water holds thermal energy 4 times better than soil. To create a zero-cost localized heater, paint several gallon milk jugs flat black, fill them with water and place them inside the tunnel along the northern edge. They absorb solar heat all day and slowly radiate it back into the enclosed space all night, preventing hard freezes. Number 10. The soil heat sink. Never forget that the Earth itself is a massive battery. The low tunnel traps the ambient heat continuously rising from deep within the Earth's crust, completely blocking the freezing wind from stripping that warmth away from the root zone. Number 11. The snow insulation paradox. When a massive blizzard hits, your instinct will be to clear the snow off the plastic. Unless the weight threatens to collapse the PVC, leave it. A thick layer of snow acts as a perfect natural insulator, sealing the trapped heat inside the tunnel while protecting the plants from brutal wind chills. We have officially crossed the midpoint of this breakdown, and the protocol is entirely clear. True agricultural sovereignty requires a conscious commitment to mastering the mechanical and thermal physics of the Earth. If you are ready to walk away from corporate retail dependency and stop letting the winter dictate your food supply, hit that subscribe button right now. By subscribing to Grounded Harvest, you ensure that this low-cost, non-industrial wisdom is passed down to the next generation of free thinkers. Tap that subscribe button to officially join our network today and let us decode the most dangerous physical threat to your winter harvest. The element that destroys winter crops in a low tunnel is rarely the cold. The true silent killer is stagnant moisture. If you seal a tunnel perfectly and never open it, you will accidentally engineer a highly toxic fungal death trap. Number 12. The condensation trap. Because the ground is constantly evaporating moisture and the plants are continuously transpiring, the humidity inside a sealed plastic tunnel rapidly hits 100%. When the sun comes out, it creates a tropical environment that instantly breeds Botrytis cinereae or gray mold. Number 13. The 50-degree rule. You must practice active environmental management. If the sun is shining and the outside temperature rises above 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the internal temperature of the tunnel can easily spike to over 100 degrees, literally cooking your winter greens. You must physically walk out and open the tunnel. Number 14. The leeward venting technique. You never open the entire tunnel at once. You walk to the leeward side, the side facing away from the prevailing wind, and simply slide the plastic halfway up the PVC hoops, securing it with the snap clamps. This allows the hot, saturated air to escape without letting freezing wind blast the foliage. Number 15. The sunset seal. Venting is temporary. The absolute moment the sun begins to dip below the tree line in the late afternoon, you must drop the plastic and lock the clamps down tight. You are trapping the final hours of solar radiation to carry the plants through the freezing night. Number 16. The debris mandate. Winter tunnels must be kept surgically clean. Because of the high baseline humidity, any dead or yellowing leaves left sitting on the damp soil will immediately rot and become vectors for fungal outbreaks. You must aggressively prune out dead material every time you harvest. If you have stayed with me this far, you belong to our high-retention inner circle. You are not surfing the internet for superficial entertainment. You are actively hunting for the unfiltered physical realities required to break entirely free from the commercial food system. You have successfully processed the advanced mechanics of thermal batteries and humidity control, and you have earned the final stage of this broadcast. Reward your dedication and support our work by hitting that subscribe button right now. We need disciplined, independent minds like yours anchored to our infrastructure to keep this raw earth science alive. Hit subscribe to lock in your spot within our tribe, and let us look at the elite winter genetics you must plant to guarantee survival. A low tunnel is not magic. You cannot put a tropical tomato plant inside a $25 plastic hoop and expect it to survive a blizzard. You must align the thermal physics of the structure with the localized biology of cold hardy genetics. Number 17. Spinach Spinacia oleracea. Spinach is the undisputed king of the winter tunnel. When the temperature drops below freezing, the plant survives by actively converting its starches into pure sugars, which act as a biological antifreeze inside the cellular walls. A January spinach leaf harvested from a low tunnel is the sweetest, crispest green you will ever consume. Number 18. Miner's lettuce Claytonia perfoliata. This aggressive, succulent green evolved in extreme, cold weather environments. It requires almost zero maintenance, is entirely indifferent to freezing temperatures, and thrives in the low-light conditions of the winter solstice when the sun is at its absolute weakest. Number 19. The carrot sugar surge Daucus carota. While you must plant carrots in late summer so they reach maturity by the first frost, leaving them buried in the ground under a low tunnel transforms them into a premium winter crop. The freezing soil locks their starches into a hypersweet state, and the tunnel allows you to easily dig them out of unfrozen dirt in the middle of January. Number 20. Winter kale Brassica oleracea variety sabelica. Do not plant delicate summer lettuces. You deploy aggressive, thick-leaved Russian or Siberian kales. Their cellular structure is heavily reinforced, allowing them to freeze completely solid at night and flawlessly thaw back out when the sun hits the plastic the next morning, completely undamaged. We have reached the absolute end of this disclosure, and the choice rests entirely with you. You can step away from this screen, return to the commercial loop, and let the winter permanently dictate your family's access to living nutrition, or you can draw a definitive line in the sand today. Secure your permanent place in the Grounded Harvest Underground Network by hitting that subscribe button right now before this video concludes. Do not risk losing your connection to these unadulterated blueprints of independence. By subscribing in these final moments, you're casting a direct vote for absolute physical autonomy, decentralized year-round food production, and real ecological literacy. Take definitive action, tap that subscribe button, and secure your position in our sovereign tribe right now. Reclaiming your status as a self-reliant producer starts the very moment you refuse to buy into the synthetic, retail industrial illusion. You do not need to wait until you have $5,000 in the bank to secure a year-round harvest. You do not need the approval of a commercial greenhouse manufacturer. This autumn, before the ground freezes solid, drive those steel anchors into the earth. Bend the PVC, stretch the plastic tight, trap the solar radiation, and defy the limitations the corporate agricultural system has placed on your mind. When the dead of winter arrives, and the rest of the neighborhood is completely locked under a barren blanket of ice, you will walk out to your backyard, brush the snow off a $25 piece of plastic, and harvest a dense, living canopy of medicine-grade nutrition. The centralized food syndicate spent the last century trying to convince us that human survival is a high-cost commodity that can only be sustained by their global shipping networks and expensive infrastructure. They wanted us to believe that without their intervention, the winter would starve us. But their narrative is a complete physical failure. The fundamental laws of thermodynamics remain completely unalterable, and the $0 physics of localized, high-density thermal trapping are completely waiting to be deployed by anyone who has the courage to step off the corporate grid. You hold the absolute power to break the cycle of dependency right now, with your own two hands from the frost line up. Welcome to Grounded Harvest. Your agricultural sovereignty begins today.